Have met with other teacher unions and the school governing bodies. Your assessment is that the schools are not ready to reopen on Monday. What must your members do come the 1st of June?
Thank you. Firstly, let me greet you at Clement. Let me also greet the viewers as well of ENCA. Well, I can confirm that indeed, as things stand, all indications are that the system is not ready to receive the first groups of learners and educators below the SMT level that are expected to come in on Monday. So what we are saying as a union, and not just SADTU, by the way, as you've correctly captured it, it is also all the other education unions that are in the Education Labour Relations Council, including the National Associations of School Governing Bodies as well. All of us are therefore saying that the system will not indeed be ready to receive our learners and our teachers on Monday, and therefore we are calling on all the parents not to send their children to school. We are calling on children not to go to school on Monday. We are calling on our educators as well not to go to school on Monday until such a time that all the non-negotiables that we have tabled before the Minister of Basic Education would have been attended to, and in all the provinces, so that in the spirit of uniformity, Clement, we can ensure that no learner is left behind.